Messi, after playing almost 2 decades in Barcelona, finally in 2021 had decided to change his club from Barcelona to PSG due to some financial crisis of the club. That means now we would see our little star in jersey of PSG, not Barcelona. Although it might be disheartening for some Barca fans, but at the same time, it's a great news for PSG fans. We all saw Messi playing in jersey with number 10 for over a decade, but now, while joining PSG, he chose number 30. The reason behind it is Messi, when he debuted in Barca, had his first jersey with number 30, and hence he preferred 30 over 10. We know Neymar has been playing for PSG with the jersey number 10. He even offered Messi to have the jersey with number 10, but the champ refused it and decided to choose number 30. When an interviewer asked Messi that why did he choose the number 30 jersey, he commented in a funny way and friendly tone that because I'm 3 times better than Neymar. Messi was also offered number 19 jersey, but he refused and decided to choose number 30 since it was his first jersey number when he debuted in Barca. Here's what Messi said after joining PSG. I am excited to begin a new chapter of my career at PSG. Everything about the club matches my football ambitions. I know how talented and sporting the squad and the coaching staffs are here. I am determined to help with something special for the club and the fan, and I am looking forward to step in the pitch.